where district-wise and categorized draft merit list strictly in terms of the provisions contained under para 8(3) of the resolution. After such publication of the district-wise and category list, OP number 2 shall proceed with the selection in terms of the provisions contained under para 8.4 and 8.5 prior to publishing the district-wise final merit list as provided under para 8.6. This part of
this is item 1 on the cover to that to level 4 promotion. Same order to kali the promotion on the
pardon to mention despite of the status order, the DO not allowing to the petitioner to join, my lord. But I file I, my lord. Kindly.
one day after tomorrow. March number ta diyandu. Yes.
My lord, second contempt.
Contempt mein management. गुरुवार को दे दो
शर्त पड़े मतलब
गुरुवार वो यार केस को
regular action of a pay.
केस ऑफ व्हिच ईयर
Wait, retire, my lord. That is why, my lord, I am
wait for some time
at time litigation your lordship added to
कौन
December को कहले
केस ऑफ
2016 तक पार कर दिया
कोई यार केस है
23 रे था
उठी पड़ाई जाने टू
round 3
covered by Ashok Mahapatra. My lord. Pardon, my lordship.
yes
Covered by Ashok Mahapatra.